here with Stephanie, and today I have an awesome video that I think you will like. I'm going to share with you 5 awesome spring DIYs that I made using almost all products from the Dollar Tree. To start, you want to grab 2 of these ceramic flower pots from the Dollar Tree, and they come in 2 for 1 pack. And you want to give them a light wash of variety of colors that you want to get the effect. I wanted a farmhouse rustic feel, so I did a little whitewash with a little bit of gray and brown tones to give this nice farmhousey look. And then I stenciled some numbers, and this part is totally optional, you don't have to do that. But I grabbed these floral blocks, and then in order to get them to fit into these small pots, you do have to smack them down quite a bit. And this is a nice therapy session where you can let your frustrations out by smacking this thing. And then once you get it to size, you are simply going to insert that into the ceramic pot, add a little hot glue, and then start gluing some of the floral moss. And then you want to just add that until you're satisfied with the layering and you have covered all of the floral block. And then you want to add a little bit of hot glue to the bottom of a Dollar Tree candle, and this one actually smells really good. Pop it on there and then you're done. For my next DIY, you will need a piece of unfinished wood. Dollar Tree has had some of these in this size, however my Dollar Tree did not have any, so I went to Hobby Lobby, used my 40% coupon, and it came just under $5. And then I picked up a white wire basket from the Dollar Tree, and I used these 2 eye hooks to secure my wire basket to hang on this wood. This part is optional, you don't have to do it, you can actually use some stencils, but because I have a Cricut machine, I went ahead and used some white vinyl to add welcome to our home. Dollar Tree carries a variety of acrylic paints that you can use to color the wooden veneer that will be used to attach to the wire basket. I went with black and white colors. All of the designs that I made on my Cricut software to make with my Cricut machine, I made them public, so if that's something that you would like to use, I have them linked in the description down below. To attach this piece to the wire basket, I used some floral wire. I picked up 4 different kind of flower pieces from the Dollar Tree, and I picked up some foam blocks as well, and I mounted 2 on top of each other. That way it would give my arrangement some height to stand out from this wooden sign. For my next DIY, you need a piece of twig from outside. However, in my area it had been raining, so I had to use this birch wood. And you will need about 5 of these leafy vines from the Dollar Tree. And this is the easiest DIY. All you're going to do is glue one side of your leaf vine onto your twig or whatever piece of wood you are using. And then to make sure to hang this decorative piece, you want to tie that twig with some twine, and then that way you can hang it onto your wall. I had some floral pieces from my previous project left over and hot glued them onto the vine. For my next project, I went ahead and grabbed some basswood from Hobby Lobby. It is $2.69. I was able to use my 40% coupon on one of them, so just under $4 to create this. And because basswood is so thin, you can cut it without using any tools. I measured how wide I wanted this box to be and cut it with an X-Acto knife, and then I gave it a light sand using some Dollar Tree sandpaper just to even out the edges. And then to assemble the box, I just used some hot glue, and you can use whatever type of glue you like, and I assembled it together. Now to do the bottom part, in order for this to be very inexpensive, I used some foam board from the Dollar Tree that I had laying around, and I just traced out the shape of the box, and then with my X-Acto knife I cut that out, and then I hot glued that on the bottom of this box. The door pulls on the side of the box are optional. I decided to add them because I already had these from a while back and I thought this was a great project to put them to use. I went ahead and used some floral moss that I had left over from the first project, and I laid that at the bottom of the box just so it doesn't look white in any of the spaces in between the flowers. And I did use a total of 4 different floral pieces from the Dollar Tree to make this centerpiece arrangement. Project, you want to pick up one of these gardening hats from the Dollar Tree and you want to remove the ribbon. This is optional. I just decided I wanted some floral arrangements from the Dollar Tree as well around this hat. And to create this Hello Spring, you want a wooden veneer piece from Michael's or 99 cents if you can't find them at Dollar Tree. And then you want to use 2 eye hooks, so you want to screw them in one side of this wooden veneer, thread some twine, and then pierce the twine through one of the holes in the hat.
Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe by hitting the red button down below, and I'll go ahead and see you in the next video. Bye bye.